Yes.
Yes, Lordship.
Oh,
Lordship, this is an IA of
where
a
is your
disposed
client now?
anticipatory.
Where is your client?
Lordship,
Where is your client now? Where is the petitioner? Where is the petitioner now? In
Lordship,
Arunachal or in UP? Kill sound zone. You're not getting me?
Lordship, Lordship, he is in. Yes, I got it. I got your question, Lordship.
Hmm.
Lordship,
Where?
he has joined an internship, Lordship. I have annexed that documents
Then
also,
why
Lordship.
did he not approach before the Chief Judicial Magistrate and get an extension on that count? Because the Chief Judicial Magistrate had passed an order asking him to report back on 4/3.
Lordship, yes, correct.
Then he has violated the condition.
Lordship,
We
Lordship,
understand. He's a student, he requires, but
Lordship,
there was a condition, there was an order passed. He should have come back, reported back before the IO. Then he could have made an application and then he could have gone. Or he could have come before me.
Lordship, that is the difficult challenge that I'm facing, Lordship.
No,
Since
it's not
this is
it's a chance.
so why, Lordship?
You have taken a chance. You have taken a chance.
Lordship, so why
Because
this matter was listed
you
on?
asked for on 15/1, you asked for to leave, and for 3 months you were granted. And why this application today? You should have approached. And if the alleged desires to leave the jurisdiction, further prayer be filed in order to comply with the aforesaid direction of the Honorable High Court. Come to page 50. Why this short circuit? Yes, Miss Hage, what do you say?
Yes, Lordship has rightly pointed out, Lordship. He's already enough time to appear before the Lordship, Supreme Court, Lordship, and he can file the
charge sheet filed in the
further
matter?
extension.
Charge sheet filed.
Yes, Lordship. We have no instruction, Lordship. Otherwise, Lordship may call for the this investigation, Lordship, whether charge sheeted or not, Lordship.
You get that information whether what is the stage
Yes,
of the
Lordship.
investigation. You just get that information.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay. When? Monday?
Yes, Lordship.
Monday?
Lordship,
And
yes,
Mr.
Monday or Tuesday, Lordship. Tuesday, Lordship, then.
Tuesday. Okay, Tuesday. Mr. Counsel, you make yourself clear. This
Lordship,
will
on
not permit.
Tuesday.
Tuesday. Mr.
Yes,
Jini, you make
Tuesday.
yourself now clear. We will not permit your applicant to act in this manner. Sorry. And the date
Lordship,
is already over. It was 4/3/2015. 25. Today we
Lordship,
are
this matter was listed before. Lordship, may I kindly submit one, Lordship? Lordship, this matter was listed before some another bench on 4th of this month, Lordship.
Okay.
Since this matter was dealt by your Lordship, so this matter was transferred to your Lordship's this thing.
You filed
Bench,
the case
Lordship.
on 4th only. You have filed the case on 4th. Whereas on 4th you had to appear before the IO.
Lordship, so why, Lordship? On 4th, we have filed these applications, Lordship. I wanted to
What
take
is
a
the
plea.
duration of your internship?
Lordship, duration of internship is, Lordship, may I kindly take to page 51, Lordship. That would be till 30th of June 2025, Lordship.
So you knew
Starting
about
for
this?
1st March.
You knew about this on 22nd of February 2025. What prevented you from appearing before the CJM? Because we have already provided for that and the CJM has provided for that. That if you want further leave to leave the station, please file an application.
Lordship, so why, Lordship, certain difficulties that I was facing, Lordship, so why we were seeking some slight modifications in your Lordship's order as well as the order of the CGM, Lordship.
I'm sorry. Such
Lordship,
conduct
since
is
he
not
is a
called for.
student, Lordship.
A student, but the act that has been alleged against him is also very serious. So
Lordship,
we have,
agreed,
on
Lordship. The
examination,
allegations are
we have
really
granted
serious,
you.
Lordship.
Student, you were a student, so we have granted you bail. Right or wrong?
Correct,
For a
Lordship.
student,
I am
that
not
he should not
disputing that,
suffer.
Lordship.
At the same time, the investigation also should take over. Ms. L. Hage, additional public prosecutor, Arunachal Pradesh, shall obtain instructions from the IO with regard to the stage of investigation of the matter and apprise this court about the same on the next date of listing. Registry to list this matter again on Tuesday, 25th. Let me see how far the stage of the investigation, then we will consider you. Okay? Tuesday. Ms. Hage, you get me a
Yes,
complete
sir.
instruction. Okay? And if you want, if there is a
Yes,
status
Lordship.
report, you keep it, you let me know what it is. Right?
Lordship. Lordship.
Tuesday.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Obliged, Lordship.
Yes, where is Mr. Kong?
Go to file affidavit.
Get it.
My lord, by order dated 21/1/2005, 25, my lord. Lordship directed the respondent counsel to obtain certain instruction, my lord, as to what action steps has been taken against the bill clerk and the cashier. This is our departmental inquiry, my lord, that after the inquiry, the main search was not proved, whereby they allege that loss of revenue and the subsidiary did two searches, not maintaining the, my lord, accounts properly, and thereby, my lord, breach of law established procedure for the remaining two searches, my lord. There is no evidence, my lord, and breach of ASB office conduct regulation, my lord. And inquiry report, lordship has kindly find at page 38,
No, we have seen that.
my lord. So
Yes, Mr. Pratap.
no action. Both
So how can you,
Both of them were retired from service.
be that as it may, when they were there, they were there. How can you then proceed against it? You are a,
He was a subdivisional engineer. So
SD
the
in the, at
principal
Rangapara, my
finding
lord.
that is conclusively held against him is that he allowed his username and password to be used by these two persons who defalcated, which resulted in loss of company.
that may be done for a convenience of the works. But if
the
there is
basis-
material that they
Yes.
are also been involved,
Perhaps action should have been taken. against
taken
him.
against them.
Lordship may not record my concession.
No,
but
no, no.
otherwise.
That's why I wanted it in
No,
writing. You still have service left?
My lord, I retired, my lord. I
When?
retired on my lord, January 2020, my lord. Stoppage of 2 increments was imposed, my lord.
That was imposed in 17.
My lord,
You retired in January.
January 2020.
Leha. This court, while order dated 21/1/2025, had required Mr. Pathak, KP Pathak, learned Standing Counsel APDCL, to receive instruction from the respondent authorities as to whether any departmental proceeding and or criminal proceeding was so instituted against the bill clerk and cashier posted in the office of the
Rangapara Electricals.
petitioner hearing,
Yes.
of the petitioner hearing, and who had purportedly committed the defalcation involved using the passer ID and password of the petitioner. Also, Mr. KP Pathak has placed on record a communication dated 11/2/2025 received by him from the Assistant General Manager bracketed law APDCL Bijuli Bhavan APDCL, wherein it has been conveyed that there exists no records of any proceeding being so instituted against the bill clerk and the cashier of the establishment of the petitioner. Full stop. Heard the parties at length. Full stop. List this matter again on 27/3/2025 for delivery of orders.
Deeply.
Gita Nikki Division BK Dance or KP Pathak. Yes,
Lordship, on last occasion, our side of argument have already completed, Lordship.
but we have some queries.
Lordship, my senior agent leg in court number 12, Lordship.
Yes,
Whereas Lordship have heard it,
I wanted to, there were other councils who have wanted to make submissions. Mr. D. Bora. Notes, you have filed.
all the cases, I think.
Note, file করেছেন ইয়ারে আছেন একটু তো আপনার সওয়ানা একটু তো Hiren Bora, who is appearing? You have filed a note here?
Yes, Lordship.
No, it will be like,
They
It
have
will be-
filed for all and we have also filed.
no, it will be like. Etu tomar hey, Pradip Swikya. Mr. Gupta's thing is there. Mr. Chauhan has filed, but where is your? Yesterday I could not locate it. Oh, ha. No, Chauhan. No, Sharma, where is yours?
I have submitted on the very first, second day, I think. I tell of first on 5.
বাকি গিটার আছে এটা তো আছে গুপ্তার এটু আছে বাকি গিটার আছে নি নবগলিটা আছে Yeah, you have a spare copy of your,
I have it in my pen drive, I can give it.
just give it, they'll take out a printout. আছে না? And where is Mr. DC Bora appearing? 3624. There 8 number section আছে নি? Bora edition নি? না এটা 6 নয়। In item number 3264, Mr. Goswami appears. Mr. Bora is no longer appearing in any matter. Okay, done. Nothing more to add. So my queries remain with me. I'll have to take a call on that now. Okay.
Lordship.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I'll find it out myself. Haddi, Learned Council. Ms. Sharma, Ms. Gupta, just write down in which cases you all are appearing. Give me a list so that I can incorporate. All these proceeding emanate from the cases emanate from the same proceedings. If possible, we'll pass one order. If not possible, if there is something, then I'll deal it with it individually. Haddi, Learned Council for the parties at length. Hearing concluded. Registry to list those matters again on 3/4/2025 for delivery of orders. Yeah, FDT. Heard, Miss. Or we'll pass the orders. You all need not wait. We'll pass the orders. More than more possible. So finally, I have brought myself around. We are interfering with that. However, his pension and whatever benefits he gets will be on the pay he drew on the last date he worked with you. No back wages, nothing for this period, but count that period for pension and pensionary benefits.
Only one, just, it should not set as a precedent. A Pandora box may open up. Only on the facts of the case.
For that lordship can add that this will not be a precedent.
No, that I'll not add. I'll say that it is on the facts and
facts, yeah.
circumstances arising in the present matter.
Deeply obliged.
Because admittedly, you were also very slack in moving against it. If you had moved that time, maybe that sympathy would not have been there.
We try to also give him.
No, he is under advice of Mr. Bora, he did it. Can't help it now. Fine, we'll pass the orders.
Deeply obliged.
You will have the orders, maybe I'll see if I can complete it today to none, or I'll have it fixed on Tuesday and deliver it, give it.
Deeply obliged.
Two. একেবাৰে। এটা থাকিব। এই দুটা মোক দি দিলে। Yes,
I call. He's on legs on good.
we can't help it.
Also, instruction has not yet received. Doctor.
Huh?
Instruction has not been yet received.
Can't help it. We'll ask the chief secretary to be here.
For the timing also.
No, how about I finished my list. And the matter is being only adjourned only on behalf of this instruction. Where is he? Which court?
20 Lord. The hearing has been going on.
What is your name?
P. Thapa.
Ms. P. Thapa, Learned Counsel, appearing for Mr. K. Learned, Additional Advocate General, submits that the instructions as required, instructions for filing an affidavit in the matter in terms of the directions passed by this court wide order dated 18/2/2025 has not been received and accordingly prays that they be granted as a last chance. Time till 2/4/2025 for filing the affidavit. It is directed that the affidavit in question shall invariably be filed on or before 4/4/2025. Registry to list this matter again on এনাকারও কেস ফিক্স করা নাই এপ্রিল on 8/4/2025, no further adjournment would be granted in the matter.
Very obliged.
Should I write that if he does not appear on the next day, we will ask the chief secretary to be here?
Also, we'll file our affidavit.
Not your affidavit, I wanted his presence also, his submission. If he is not there, he'll authorize somebody. Okay,
Okay.
that's it.